There is much water in the drink. Kasih hakanalah dan Shibun kaum. He drink too much water. Kasih udi Shibun kaum. I have many clothes. Kasih ngadon Shibun kichany phong. There are many children at home. Kasih dan Shibun kikna haying. He walk too much. Kasih udrai shitom pelat. He knows too many languages. Kasih unang ban kren bun kicaj keden. It rains less this year. Kasih uslap uduna bha mentau snem. I eat less at night. Kasih ngabam duna menmit. He show a little interest. Kasih open jingkit kia baduna. Only a few students can speak English correctly. Kasih tang kandiat ki kena ki bala ban kren baik ya ka English. He read too much. Kasih upule kot tan. She is a very poor woman. Kasih kalong kabreu kabaduk palat. He slept too much. Kasih utia tan It is a very old book. Kasih kadai kakot kabala rim bha. She is a very good girl. Kasih kadai kakena kababha shisha. It is a very expensive cloth. Kasih kadai kajany kabah rem dorba. He is a very full man. Kasih ulong ubreu ubaduk palat. It is a very hot today. Kasih kasyit bha mentakasngi. This is a very big house. Kasih kadai kayeng kabah bha. It is a very beautiful picture. Kasih kadai kadur kabai tenat bha.